If your DeLonghi PrimaDonna ESAM 6600 is showing a general alarm, it can be confusing because the machine doesn't always tell you exactly what's wrong. This warning usually appears when there's an internal issue like a blocked brew unit, water flow problem, or a part not positioned correctly. Many users think the machine is damaged, but in most cases, it's a minor issue that can be fixed at home with a few simple checks. The good news is that you can clear this error and get your coffee machine working again in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the general alarm step by step. Try these. 1. Turn off the machine and unplug it for a few minutes to reset the system. 2. Remove and clean the brew unit, making sure it moves freely. 3. Check the water tank and ensure it is filled and properly seated. 4. Inspect the drip tray and grounds container, then empty and reinsert them. 5. Turn the machine back on and run a rinse cycle to test.